Okay, hi guys. So in this lecture also we'll be seeing some more examples on conversion before seeing the preparation of aldehydes. Okay, let's get started. So here you have to convert a carboxylic acid into something like this. Okay, so what are the steps? First we will convert this in the presence of mixed acid into this compound. And NO2. Then we'll obviously using some reducing agent to convert this into NH2 group attached with CO2H group. Then we'll be using NaNO2 in presence of HCl, and second compound will be using H plus BF4 minus. Okay, so we'll be getting something like the desired product. Okay, now let's see another example wherein we have a benzene, and in the benzene we are first using mixed acid, then we are using SN in presence of HCl, and then we are using NaNO2 again in presence of HCl, and fourth we are using KCN. Okay, so what will happen in this case is, first when we are passing, so you have to tell me the product after the reaction completes after the fourth step. Okay, so after the first step we'll be getting something like this product. Okay, after the second step we'll be getting something like this is the first step. For the second step we'll be reducing it, and obviously we are also passing water in acidic medium. Okay, so what will we get? We'll be getting something like a carboxylic acid, and then in the third process or in third step we'll be getting something like what will be getting, and the third step we'll be getting something like oh sorry, actually let me redraw it. Some false drawing actually happened. So in the first step we'll be getting actually NO2 nitration would happen. In the second step we'll be getting something like aniline. Okay, in the third step we'll be getting something like N order N plus minus Cl minus. Okay, diazonium salt. In the fourth step we'll be getting something like a cyanobenzene. Okay, so from now we'll be actually continuing on seeing if we actually pass SnHCl on cyanobenzene. So what will happen? We'll get something like CH2 double bond NH, or rather CH double bond NH. Okay, now next what will happen is, when we actually pass this in an acidic medium we'll get something like OHH and OHH here. So we'll be getting carboxylic acid made. Okay, so this is also a way to convert benzene into carboxylic acid. Okay, can we guess of another way? If we have something like this toluene and we are passing it in presence of hot alkaline KMnO4, then this will also oxidize, as KMnO4 is a very good oxidizing agent. It will oxidize toluene into CO2H. This is another method to convert benzene into carboxylic acid. Is there any other method? If we have a Grignard reagent called RMGX, where R is pH, and we are reacting it with carbon dioxide, then obviously it will be attacking on carbon atom, and we'll get something like in the acidic medium, and we'll get something like a carboxylic acid. Okay, Now let's start with a new topic, which is preparation of aldehydes. Okay. Okay, so in the preparation of aldehydes, if we first, let's see Rosenman reaction. Okay, so what happens in Rosenman reaction is something like we have benzoyl chloride. Okay, benzoyl chloride is nothing but this is structure, so this is called benzoyl chloride. And in benzoyl chloride, if we are passing H2 in presence of PDBaSO4, so what will we be getting? We'll be getting something like this compound, which is called benzaldehyde. Okay, now second we have something called as reduction of nitriles. Okay, so what will happen in reduction of nitriles is we have something like RCN and we are passing it in presence of SnCl2. Okay, and we are also passing some HCl. Okay, so what will happen is first we'll get something like RCH double bond NH, and then if we are hydrolyze it in acidic medium, what will we be getting? We will be getting a RCHO group. Okay, okay, so this also converted, for example R was pH, then this converted cyanobenzene to carbaldehyde, benzene carbaldehyde. Okay, so this was the second preparatory method. Third, from Dhawal H, this is also a preparatory method. We have Dhawal H here. What actually happens in this reaction is the full form of Dhawal is diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay, so we will have A compound as RCN, and we are first passing the ALH and isobutane. So this is the Dhawal H, and second we are passing water. So what we will be getting is again aldehyde. Okay, and second the B part is we can also have selective reduction using Dhawal H. Okay, so selective reduction. So what will happen here is we'll get something, we'll have something like this compound. Okay, and we are first passing it in presence of Dhawal H, and second water molecule. So what will we be getting? Getting something like this compound. Okay, CHO. Selective reduction. The alkene group will not be reduced. Okay, and C part is obviously by selective reduction also we get by cyanobenzene nitrile group also we got aldehyde. Now the third step or the third method can be, suppose I have something like this, again in presence of first Dhawal H and water molecule, will get this converted into RCHO. Okay, so with this we come to an end of this lecture. In the next lecture we'll be seeing some more preparatory methods of aldehyde, and we'll see some examples on the same. So till then, good luck and goodbye.